I just pulled over to record this, and I hope it comes across the way that I intended, because the question I just got asked from a tearful buyer who we just had to cancel an entire afternoon of showings is, if I can afford $2,400 in rent, why can I not afford a $2,100 mortgage? And this is a question that I get asked all the time. And it's frustrating for me, because the amount of people that do not understand that it's not just, do you have the money to pay a mortgage every month? It is, do you have the credit score for a bank to say, okay, yes, I'll loan them $250,000. I'll loan them $300,000. Your credit score is basically your credit worthiness. It's how much a financial institution thinks that you're not of risk to default on that loan, because this is the money that they are intending to get back. And so a lot of things go into that. And I asked this tearful buyer to pull her credit report and see, maybe there's an error, maybe there's something we could dispute. And she said, well, it just says late payments. Here's the thing, guys. If it's down to whether or not you go out for drinks or go to the club or spend, a good amount of money on an expensive dinner, skip it. Skip it if it means you cannot make your credit card payments. Skip it if it means... I think that's the problem, is everyone thinks so short term, like, hey, my friends are going out tonight, I don't want to sit home all the time. But the thing is, if you cannot make your credit card payments on time, that's a derogatory marker on your credit score. That goes down. And while you might think, well, what does that matter? It matters so damn much. Everything in this world is set up for people to own a house. Your interest rate, even when you buy a car, is a lower interest rate if you own a house than if you rent. The world is set up to make things easier for you if you own a house. So please normalize staying in if you have to. Hang out with the people that encourage that. Do not make your payments late, because then when you have a great job and you want to pay a mortgage and have your own place where someone can't tell you, like a landlord can't tell you, be out in 60 days, you can buy a house because your credit score is good. Skip the shoes, skip the expensive dress, skip whatever needs skipping. And I'm not talking to people that are working 2 to 3 jobs to making ends meet. I'm talking about people that have the money to be able to buy the newest pair of shoes, the newest color of the bag that comes out. Ask yourself with every purchase, is this worth potentially me being late on a payment that will affect my credit worthiness and affect my ability to buy a house? Because if I was able to tell this to this young lady 6 months ago when she made that decision, I think she definitely would have chosen that. And it's heartbreaking for me as a realtor to be able to tell them that there's just nothing else I can do. Like, there is a minimum credit score, and banks, though they're toying with the idea of there not being a lower level of that limit, we're not seeing investors pick those loans up. So while we're seeing that on TikTok and people talk about it, and yes, that's true, they are lowering the minimum, we're not seeing investors pick it up. So it's not translating to the mortgage market yet. So please get the bills paid on time, and then let me find you a house.